So straight up, is the sound terrible? I think it's an antivirus that I've just recently changed. Just like, is it terrible? Yes, no. Just right, it's fucking terrible. The internet's terrible. Need to figure this out. Like fully better. Like we should be clear as fuck. Like, are we clear as fuck? Or is it like still a bit shit and jumpy? Hey, thank fucking God. Okay. That was concerning. So I'm like clear. Okay, I'm perfectly clear. Okay, good. Fuck. Just if there's jumps, just hit us up. Okay, perfect. Fuck. That's crazy. Okay, so let's just go through some stocks and some stats and stuff like that. If it gets weird, tell us because I'll close something down that I've just opened. If you guys have got questions, hit us up as well. I mean, do you guys have any stocks? Because like, there's not a lot for me. Good. Yeah, there's more of you in as well. I think a bunch of people just dropped because it was shit. Guys, I'm looking to do a live trade. I'm looking to like, you know, like when you get like fucking Ginger Ninja and that pumping up the stock. Like I want to buy, then I want all fucking 30 of you to buy after to pump up the stock. Obviously joking. Look, let's just go through the top percent gainers. Fuck knows what's going on. I can just tell you guys, not a lot for me. All right, you guys are answering questions now. That's a big difference. Before you guys weren't even answering questions. You're like not replying to things that I was saying. So that works. Is it still good? Because now I've got paused by McAfee Web Boost. You guys, the audio is still clear because I'm getting fucking weird messages off me antivirus. It's still clear. Just say yes quick. All right, there's way more of you guys in the room. So obviously the audio is better. Just say yes if it's working and then we'll go into the questions. Yeah, okay, cool. So look. Yeah, perfect. You guys are a bit behind, but it's fine. So SNOA, it's fucking failed 3 times before. So you're just waiting for the failure, like fail 1, fail 2, fail 3. So you're just waiting for it to fail again. And it's like, where does it fail? And then we got this like really nice double top. Spec guys jumping in, set pro chat notified. All right, guys, that's cool. Like, do you see it's already failing pre-market? You see it's got these highs, then it washes. So this was previous support in this area because you've got this like kind of, maybe this isn't the perfect line. Maybe you want to move it up a bit to here. It's topped, bottomed, then fell through. Now it's this fall through in this area that I started like watching it. But regardless, when this double top came in, I was like, look, it's already starting to fall apart pre-market. And on the daily, it always fails. So it's just a case of when does it fail? The volume's not there. Look, in this day and age, we need like 200 million, 300 million. We only got 50 million. It's not outstanding volume from this current market. So when this top, there's this market out for you guys to see. When you get this top, and then you get this top, then you get this top, and then you get this support, then you get this support, then it falls through here. Like all of these lines matter. When this falls through, I'm shorting it in this area. I'm looking at it short. Yeah, and I'm in and out 100 times, and I never get it. I'm in and out, I'm in and out, in and out, in and out. Never works. And then I finally get the entry on this double top. When this double top rejects, and look, I'm not perfect. I didn't time it perfectly. I'm saying what's this double top? I was terrified because I thought, look, like obviously the volume's light, right? This minute volume is not a lot. Like this should be trading 2 and 3 million a minute. When we got this double top, my entry was about fucking 12. Like my entry, I'm not joking, was down here, and then I added down here. Like I chased this down because it ripped up and just rejected. But I thought this could go to 15 to 20 to 30, but the minute it tells us that it can't and it rejects hard, that's when I'm jumping in. So I chased this down, which is fine because you can be aggressive on setups that are bearish when they show you that they're going to be bearish. And I had a really nice short straight into a halt. I added in this area, this halt area, because it was heavy, it wasn't bouncing. Covered most in the 10s. And I was a bit scared to reshort in this area. I don't know why. I just always thought SNOA might have had more. One sec. All right, I'm sorry I can't stay on for too long, but this high low was a bit scary, and then obviously it did rip up. And then yeah, like look, this pattern completely reversed. I thought this reshort into the 12s was solid. I shorted this. I'm pretty sure I shorted around this area, but then when it didn't break down, this should have broke down and like gone down to the, like where it is now, like the 9s. But for whatever reason, we've got this higher low, and it kept going. So bit too much volume. But anyway, I have to go because I've got food coming. So I'm trying to quickly answer some questions that you guys have got. I'm sorry. We're totally fucked up with the audio today. So let's just quickly take some looks at some stocks. LAZR, it's too many red days. Looks like a bit of a squeeze, but it's not a long because it keeps on having red days. And it's not a short because it's just not something that I'd play. Not for me. NNDM, PLTR. It's similar to laser. I think you've got a lot of support in this channel. You see this channel of 584. I think if it gets down to the 584s, which it's not far from, I think you've got some sort of potential dip buy in this channel because you've got the top here and the top here and the bottom here. I think 584, you might get a bounce. It looks like a pretty strong company, but it's not really something I'd play now. PLTR, it's that Pelletron thing, isn't it? Pelletron, I feel like it's just in a channel between here and here. It's mid-range. I'd probably short the top of the channel and then I'd buy the bottom. And then if the top of the channel broke, I'd buy it long. And if the bottom of the channel broke, I'd short it. So it's just in the middle. SLDB, let's take a quick look. Full screen so you guys can see better. SLDB, perfect double top, but there's no discounting. This can have a second day. I wouldn't play this long and short. Yeah, I wouldn't play this really long or short. You can't buy into resistance, but I wouldn't short something this strong. What's up, guys? I'm sorry, I have to go. I'm sorry, guys. I wish we could talk longer. We had some audio problems at the start, but that has to be a wrap. It's the weekend, and I've got food come for like me and the family and that. So, peace, love yous. I'm sorry I can't stay longer.